So this is my ICA-4, and this one is going to be on major DBMS products on the market. And first, I thought I would introduce what a DBMS is and kind of go into what it does. So a DBMS is a database management system. It's a system software for creating and managing databases. And it also provides users and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update, and manage the data. So it manages three important aspects. It manages the data, the database engine, which allows data to be accessed, locked, and modified, and also the database schema, and that defines the database's logical structure. And it's the heart of today's operational and analytical business system, so it's very critical to have one of these if you want a successful business. So this is a visual representation. So as you can see, there's the database, and then the database goes through the database management systems, and it allows like users and any applications to deal with the data. So there are different categories and models of DBMSs. So there is a relational database management system, also known as RDBMS, and it provides data storage, access, and protection with reasonable performance for most applications, whether operational or analytical in nature. An NoSQL DBMS is not only SQL database management system, and it permits a flexible schema in which every data element need not exist for every entity, and it's simpler to work with if you're dealing with large amounts of sparse data compared to the RDBMS. And then an in-memory database management system, or an IMDBMS, it lies mostly on memory to store data as opposed to disk-based storage, and it's primarily used for performance, to improve performance. So the main product suppliers for DBMSs, here are some of the main suppliers, but then the top three are Oracle, IBM, and Microsoft. So starting with Oracle, the main Oracle database versions include Oracle 7 all up to Oracle 10G, and they even have Oracle database 11G in beta. And for Oracle, the database is a key part of its Fusion applications platform, although it's possible to use rival databases with Oracle's business software, and it's also one of the most used and most popular. The standard edition contains basic database functionality and is typically used on servers running between 1 and 4 processors. So the second most used and most popular is IBM, and IBM's DB2 is the second most popular DBMS. DBMS version 9, codenamed Viper, is the latest incarnation of IBM's DBMS. IBM offers several licensing arrangements that allow users to avoid paying for database features they do not need. There is also the DB2 Data Warehouse Enterprise Edition, which is the DB2 DWE, and this edition is designed for mixed workloads such as online transaction processing with data warehousing or business intelligence implementations. DB2W2 also has several business intelligence features such as extraction, transforming or loading data mining, online analytical processing, acceleration, and inline analytics. And then the third popular one and most used is Microsoft, and it's Microsoft's SQL Server. The growing popularity is partly to its native integration with the Windows Server software stack, and also because of the technologies it uses, particularly in development, security, and business intelligence. There are 4 main versions of this, and it's Microsoft SQL Server 2005, Express, Workgroup, Standard, and Enterprise, and then the other versions include Developer, Mobile, and Compact. So, although there are a ton of DBMSs to choose from and also a ton of suppliers who supply these DBMSs to choose from, one should keep in mind that a database should be chosen to match a company's strategy. Databases are the hidden workhorses of many organizations' IT systems, holding critical business intelligence and carrying out hundreds of thousands of transactions each day. So you want to pick one that'll be within your price range and it will help you complete stuff more efficiently, and it's just best suited for your business. And that is the end of my ICA.